Let's make the garden a little bit easier to walk into. In an earlier video, I put up a quick and dirty garden fence. Today I'm gonna complete the quick and dirty garden fence gate. It's gonna be super quick, super dirty. So this is what we're working with here. Put this garden fence up a few weeks back, and this is the gate. And been very, very temporary because I basically just have this, extra piece of fencing that I basically just stick on there literally and step over this bottom part. I still plan to do, a professional gate with this, but this is the quickest and dirtiest garden gate. So I just got some various bits of wood that I found lurking underneath the cabin, and see what we can do with it. So, basic plan is to do something like this. Here's my look at this nice little garden gate here. Very simple, very quick, very dirty. All right, garden. Go things in the garden.